Hey man, it's more Chrisley, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, we got the Juice WRLD XXOX VLONE collab. I thought, or like most of us thought that it was supposed to be dropping yesterday and it didn't drop, so I literally was just like, man, we might get it in a week. They went ahead, they prolonged it for just one day. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. I kinda got a sneak peek of the pieces. Like I said, right now I don't think I'm gonna cop nothing, but we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Before this video gets started, bro, y'all have to smash this like button. Y'all know I'll be on top of all this. I need 100 likes, man. 100 likes, easy. And you guys have literally been going crazy. A lot more of you guys are subscribing to the channel. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you have not already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? You made it this far into the video. You're like a minute or so in. We're about to take a look at some new VLONE pieces. I drop videos each and every single day. Join the freaking fam. But anyways, pull out that laptop. Alright, so we back in action, boys. Alright, so, oh shoot, this thing saying they got it for 24 hours only. Oh my goodness. Let me go ahead and put this full screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Got it right there. Let me go ahead and refresh, make sure everything is clean and good. So as we can see, the timer is up, bro. 24 hours only. You got 24 hours to go ahead and buy these pieces, okay? So we got the Smile, we got the WEEKND Juice, and we got the VLONE. Hey, this is tough. This is tough. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna actually use that for the thumbnail. I don't know. But yeah, so as we can go in and see, prices is pretty steep, no cap. They making sure that both sides is eating. Okay, so we're taking a look. Okay, so as these pieces right here at the bottom, if you guys didn't see my last review for this, they had a Smile, or they had a Smile drop. So this Juice WRLD X the WEEKND had these pieces. I guess it was like for the WEEKND experience thing that was going on and whatnot. So we already covered these pieces. I covered some new vinyls. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the very first thing. We have a sticker pack for $15. If this sticker pack is going for $15, you should be able to resell it for at least $30. No cap. In my opinion, it's not as heat. Okay, so we got the WEEKND Washington Juice right over here. Smile, the WEEKND Juice WRLD, and then we have just the Smile with the clown and whatnot. The clown thing, I mean, I'm kind of like iffy about it. It's like, I don't know. Okay, so that's the very first piece that we got. We got a lanyard. This could probably go for $60. This one's tough, but $30, bro, the prices are freaking steep. Just know that the resale value, like, if you're not able to cop these pieces now, you won't have to pay a pretty penny, bro. This is actually a really, really nice resale opportunity in my eyes. So they got a hat. They got the trucker hat. Yeah, of course. The Smile one. This one is tough. But dang, bro. $65 for a trucker hat. That's ridiculous, bro. I cannot lie. $65 for a trucker hat? These people was on crack. Like, if I were to buy this, I'm selling it for a minimum, like $150. I'm not even kidding you. Like, it's nice, but dang, bruh. Okay, so now we have the Juice WRLD XXOX VLONE Joker Skateboard Deck set. So now this is more like it. $125, but you get into two. I'm liking this. This is tough. I'm not gonna lie. I actually do like these. It's just the clown thing is kind of throwing me off. Someone explain that. I know I can't be the only one who thinks that the clown thing is kind of throwing it off for me. But dang, these prices are steep. Like, these prices, they trying to take your money. Okay, so we're down to the real clothes. So right now, we got some sweatpants. I ain't the biggest fan of sweatpants. It's a bit too cozy for me whenever it comes to this VLONE drip. But nonetheless, it is pretty nice. This V is pretty tough right over here. Little green thing, Smile. You got the two on it. It's a pretty nice piece. It's going for about $100 for these sweats, bro. Trust me, if you guys trying to make money, you got 24 hours to do so. I'm telling you guys, these is the two huge mega stars. Plus a VLONE on the side. You know what I mean? You got Juice big by himself. You got the WEEKND big by himself. Then you got a little VLONE saying, look, let me put my V on it and we gonna make this pop. So literally, that's why the prices is literally way more expensive. Okay, so we got the Juice WRLD XXOX VLONE, the double agent crew neck. Okay, I do like this V. It's like, it gives me like some type of warp hole vibe. That's why I like it. And I just like the green. I haven't really seen a green V in a little minute. But yeah, this piece, I mean, it's regular. It's nothing too crazy, but it's going for $125. Crazy. Crazy. But I do think this hoodie's gonna go hard. Yeah. This hoodie's probably one of my favorite pieces. It's that nice subtle drip. $125. Would I cop this one for it? If I had the bread, I'll cop it just to have it. But I do feel like this one is gonna be a great resale. It's gonna be a really good resale one. But if you're trying to be safe, you got to go with this piece right here. If you're really trying to make that straight up money, go ahead and get this smile piece. Ooh. Oh, no way. Y'all think this is the VLONE, the V tag? Y'all think it's the OG V tag, or y'all think it's screen printed? I don't know, cause it's popping. So I don't know, and it seems kind of hot. So I don't know. Ooh, oh shoot! I kind of mess with this. This is like, it's like the bloodshot kind of. Oh shoot! It's like blood splattered. Like I don't know. I'm messing with this V. This is actually tough. Oh shoot! This is tough, but the only problem, I don't know, like the front isn't really doing it for me, the clown and whatnot, but the back V, and this is tough, for sure. But yeah, this is definitely, these two pieces, if you're trying to make a cool, like, if you're trying to make money, bro, these two, if you really trying to make money, just get any of these small ones. Like, get the hoodie, get the shirt, get the long sleeve. Like, you might come off $500 trying to buy all these pieces, but I guarantee you should be able to see at least like anywhere, like after reselling and whatnot, it could be anywhere from like $1,000 to like $1,200 at the minimum. That's what I believe it will be. You know what I'm saying? Just because, bro, they too big, bro. These pieces are going to be sought after. Like almost everyone. Okay, so we have the Juice WRLD XO X VLONE reflective long sleeve. Let me see that. I'm liking the V's on this. Like I'm not even gonna lie, the V's is tough. Like look at this. They got like a dark cloud V. Like this is tough. And then the front is regular. I feel like this one would be better as a shirt. If they have it as a shirt, I feel like that's definitely a cop. But I like this piece. Like some of these pieces I'm kind of liking. Please tell me they don't got the shirt. I'm gonna skip this right here. I'm gonna come back to it. I'm pretty sure we already know. Okay, so they have the shirt version of the smile thing in white. It doesn't look that bad. Oh, you guys know what I'm getting from this? Alright, don't hold me to it. I know most of you guys watch the show. Kim Possible. Not the regular one, but the green one. I don't remember her name. This is exactly the type of vibes this is giving me. Big green Kim Possible vibes right over here. But yeah, I mess with this. It's a nice cool shirt. It's just the price though. Like, if you're buying this for personal use, that's tough. $75 for this shirt. I think it's not worth $75, but from a making money standpoint, I would definitely go. Because by them making the price so freaking high, you definitely know that you're gonna have, like, it's just a given that you're not gonna be able to find any one of these pieces for anything less than $150, bro. Which is ridiculous. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The smile thing, it's like this. I love the V. Like this V is tough. But the clown thing with Juice, I don't know. Somebody tell me the message behind like this clown stuff. Cause I don't know, I know a lot of you guys were sending me some of the pieces, asking me my viewpoints about it, and it's like I'm iffy with it. Like right now, the V is hard, but the clown thing, I don't really know where that's, like, if it has some type of meaning behind it, you know what I'm saying? Like, the people used to call the WEEKND a clown, so he just, whenever he became famous, did he go ahead and keep, like, the whole thing, like, look at me now type thing? Like, I don't know. I need you guys to educate me on this for sure. But it's like, I'm messing with it. Usually, I don't like stuff on the sleeves, but I don't know, like, I'm trying to imagine this without the clown, just the smile all over. I don't know. I just feel like they could maybe switch it up, but the V is hard. That's tough. So it looks like we went through all the pieces. I'm gonna just go ahead and give you guys my top three. I'm gonna give you my top three personal and top three to make some bread. Okay, so top three for personal. I'm gonna go with this right here. It is the double agent hoodie. I'm gonna go with double agent. No. Double agent hoodie. Reflective long sleeve, and then the double agent tee in white. 1, 2, and 3 are pieces I would love to have in my collection for like just myself, like for my style and stuff, these pieces for me are more like everyday wears, you know what I mean? Especially this hoodie, I feel like I could throw it on whenever, and I do like the V. I like the V's I like all of the V's. All of the V's here, they literally did an amazing job. However, if we're talking about you trying to make some real serious bread from this, okay, so low-key, I think the switch will go for a lot, but I'm not crazy with this, but I still know people want it. Number one piece, if you're trying to make money, get the Joker hoodie. Easy. Like if you're trying to be able to you can maybe get away with selling this piece for like $275. Maybe push $300. Like if you one of the first people to actually get the piece, or if you post it and list it very fast, you might be able to secure a sale for around that $300 mark. Of course, get the double agent hoodie, and then to be honest, any one of the small pieces, whether you want to go ahead and get the long sleeve or the shirt, just know that if you get the long sleeve, you're going to be able to make a little bit more because you're spending that much more. But essentially, I feel like the rate, like what's it called? The return that you're going to be able to make on these pieces is essentially the same, at least 200%. Easy. I'm telling you guys, easy. If you don't have enough bread to go for like the bigger pieces, some pieces that you may be able to hold on and they will go up in value, Skatex, easy. And I ain't gonna lie, you might be able to finesse some people on some of these little knickknacks, like the stickers. Like think about it, like if you buy like 5 packs of these, I'm pretty sure you can sell them for about at least 150%. So you're gonna be able to make your money back, and then 50% on top of that. Easy. So this is a great opportunity to make money. You guys got 22 hours left to go ahead and make you guys some money, okay? But anyways, guys, those are my full thoughts on this collab. Do I feel like they could have done better? Yeah. But am I happy with all the V's that VLONE selected or that they came up with? Yeah, they're pretty cool designs in my opinion. Am I gonna go copy any of these pieces? No, like I know my money tight right now. But if I did cop these pieces, it would probably be for more of like resale opportunities. And also another thing I plan on doing a lot of giveaways, but I'm trying to get creative with it. Like I'm gonna have some giveaways where I just give money, of course, because it's like, bro, who wouldn't? Y'all can use it for anything. But then at the same time, like as some of these like merch collections drop, I want to kind of go ahead and like cash out and be able to get like a whole bunch of extra pieces. And I don't know, do like a Instagram giveaway. Like I guess it's just like my picture, put it on your story, and like it's like follow me, tag people, something like that, for a chance to win. Like I guess you say like exclusive merch, like these VLONE pieces and whatnot. I feel like that would be a very cool idea. But you guys let me know if you would like something like that, because if so, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and like, I got the idea, I just need to see if the feedback is right so I can go ahead and do that. But anyways, guys, again, smash that like button. Let's see if we get 100 likes on this video. If you're new to the channel, you made it to the end of the freaking video, like, subscribe. Come on now. Like, if I'm being real with you guys, about 20% of you guys are subscribed. That means the remaining 80% of you guys ain't going out y'all way to hit the button, but y'all watching all the videos. I don't get it. Come on, support the boy, bro. 10K, but anyway, support Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that's 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.